A life without a cause is a life without an effect.
A life without a cause is a life without an effect.
Hi, YouTubers! This is Flying Innovations present you exclusive interviews from Streetcars! Roll up Dandiya! Like, comment, share! Why you have joined this event tonight?
I'm here for my friends. My friends play Dandiya to see everybody playing.
Our friend suggested us this group does a Dandiya over here, and we all wanted to have Dandiya, so we all joined over here.
To enjoy, have fun. Dandiya రాకున్నా కానీ మాకు వచ్చిన ఆట ఆడుకుంటూ ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి.
I like tradition, I like Dandiya, so that's the reason.
I like coming with my friend. Friend is an organizer. To have fun with everyone.
We are Gujarati and we can't miss Garba anytime, so we have to come definitely.
To rock this Dasara with Dandiya. Yo, Dandiya night.
Dandiya! 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 To enjoy with cousins.
So because I come from Bangalore to visit my friends and they are going for Navratri, so I came
To play Dandiya.
We cannot miss Garba this time.
This is definitely for a good cause and to get them having fun.
Yeah, being away from Gujarat and Navratri, we can't miss the Dandiya Raj, and this is the only spot where we can enjoy this stuff, that's why.
Basically, we all meet and have fun. It takes time, we all are busy, so it's something that we can enjoy. We are dancing for cause. It's for a good cause and it's our street cause. We are for street cause.
The energy around is the Toronto, and this is the Streetcars effect right now. It's a cause event, right? We needed to support it. As a students, we need to support it.
to support street cause. We can go anywhere, but instead if we come here, we can support people, right?
Actually, it's for a good cause. They give it to the poor people and the homeless, no? That is the reason.
Good evening everyone. This is Manu from Street Cause, Executive Board 2015. Street Cause is a student run NGO. Street Cause అనేది ఒక స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థ. కేవలం విద్యార్థులు పార్టిసిపేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉండే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ ఎన్జిఓ ఇది. బేసిక్గా మాకు 30 కాలేజెస్లో డివిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. డివిజన్ అంటే ఒక బ్రాంచ్ లాంటిది. ఈ 30 కాలేజీలో ఉన్న డివిజన్సే స్ట్రీట్ కాజ్ ఒక స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్. స్ట్రీట్ కాజ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థ. బేసిక్గా అన్ని స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థలు చేసినట్టే సేవా కార్యక్రమాలు చేస్తాయి. కాకపోతే చేసిన ప్రతి కార్యక్రమానికి ఒక బ్యాకప్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఏది వృధాగా పోకుండా, ఎక్కడ అనవసర ఖర్చులు లేకుండా చేసే ప్రతిదీ కూడా కరెక్ట్ పర్సన్స్కి రీచ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది. స్ట్రీట్ కాజ్ గురించి ఇంకా కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే, ఒక 7 ఏళ్ల వయసున్న ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఎదుగుతూ పోతుంది తప్ప ఒక్క మచ్చ కూడా లేకుండా నడుస్తుందంటే దీని యొక్క ఆ ప్యూరిటీ అనేది జనాలకు తెలుసు. కొత్తగా నేను చెప్పాల్సింది ఏమీ లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
What do you know about Streetcars?
All I know is they're doing a very good job on it and they're helping people. It is a cause to uplift the lives of poor people. Street cause. Okay, street cause is something which gave us everything. Street cause is a student and NGO. Okay. And we aim for the development of unprivileged sectors of the society. Yeah, so we work for it. We try to, bring some change in the society. It helps others, like poor people kind of thing, like orphanage and all. Street cause work for good cause.
Yeah, we have no money, no idea. Just a friend referred and so we came.
I heard a lot about that. It does visits the streets, children, and takes some sort of NGO type. So it does an amazing work in Hyderabad.
Street cause is the largest student-run NGO in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It has almost 6,000 students, and we organize fundraisers like this, develop villages with large student power. It's good for all.
Street Cause, I hear a lot about Street Cause. It's a good organization and it does a lot for the society. That's actually I like about Street Cause.
The Streetcars are just actually spread fun and joy around. Everyone having smiles on their faces. Good for the society.
I think, whatever events you are conducting, the money which comes out of it, you give it for a noble cause, being it going for a old age home or maybe a government schools and also. You go and help them out there.
It's an NGO for the people, by the people, and to the people. It is an NGO which is working with the betterment of the society. We almost have like many college divisions, and we almost have it's like the largest student-run NGO. Yeah.
I have been a part of Street Cause from my college. Now I'm working, so it does a very amazing job. All thanks and all the very best. Keep going.
Street Cause is the largest student-run NGO, which is basically focused on all the engineering and degree students. So it aims for the development of the underprivileged, and this event is mainly focused in uplifting the conditions of the villages. So there are 4 different colleges participating in this event, and all the 4 different colleges have different mottos behind it.
And they're going to use the funds for the right cause. GMITS is going, Narayanamma is going to use the funds for
Hattepur village, which is near Chevala. We're going to construct a water plant for them. Water treatment plant.
and also we are reconstructing public toilets, and we're doing health camps, and we're giving solar lamps with the money we'll be raising in this event.
Stanley has again a different motto.
Yeah, we are doing medical camps with remote tribals who are there near the JP Dargah area. So that's our project through the funds raised.
This event different from others.
కానీ ఇప్పుడు మ్యూజిక్ డే బై డే చేంజ్ అవ్వడం తోటి ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ గర్బా డాండియా ఇప్పుడు డిస్కో డాండియా అయిపోయింది, బాలీవుడ్ డిస్కో డాండియా అయిపోయింది. నౌ ఇట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్. సో రెవల్యూషన్ తోటి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్
మీకేం తెలుసు అన్న స్ట్రీట్ కాజ్ గురించి?
స్ట్రీట్ కాజ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ గుడ్, సీరియస్లీ గుడ్. అంటే వాళ్ళ సెల్ఫ్, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్ వాళ్ళది అని కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నా సరే వాళ్ళకి ఒక జనరేషన్ కి ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తూ ఒక సోషల్ కాజ్ కి కూడా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తూ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ విత్ ది స్టడీస్ విచ్ ఆర్ లైక్ సీరియస్లీ ఇంప్రెసివ్. ఇవాళ రోజు మన వర్క్ మనకు చేయడానికి టైం లేదు. అలాంటిది దీస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్, instead of sitting at home or could Facebook ఏదో ఒకటి యూజ్ చేయకుండా, now they are coming up for a social thing, and which is like seriously impressive.
Can you all guys show your favorite dandiya step?
Hello, this is Vamsi, the Divisional President of CBIT. For me, Street Cause is not only an NGO, it's a family for us, for which we come together with the betterment of the society. As far as CBIT is concerned, the funds raised from this event will be used for the development of Mahalingapuram near Shankapalli. We'll be constructing public toilets, and then we'll be installing solar lamps at the village.
Hello guys, I am Darshan. I am Street Cause Vasavi President. So Street Cause is not just a family or something for me, it's like a responsibility for me. I am in Street Cause because I want to serve the people. That is the basic motto of Street Cause, serving the people, serving every person. there. So Street Cause has various departments. So like basically what we are going to do with this fundraising event is like we are going to find some schools which actually need renovation in some villages or hospitals, and we're going to do that. Thank you.
Hi, this is Venkat Ashish, the Vice President of Street Cause Vasavi. We at Street Cause believe in collective development and sustainment. What we do is what we have is students who are together for a cause, who are working together as a team. But then one thing that we don't have in our pockets is money to do the needy for the social service or the, for the people who need. So what we do is we organize fundraisers as such. And then, we try to reach out to people who need the funds, who need the money, who need our help. So that is what we at Street Cause aim to do and achieve to do.